Hey Paul, I have a question for you. How do you write an engaging intro for your travel vlog? Great question. Let's talk about that right now. You know that crucial moment that grabs your viewers' attention and keeps them hooked throughout your entire adventure? That should be your intro. Before we dive in, I just want to know from you guys, how do you write your intros for your travel videos? Let me know in the comment section and let's learn from each other, okay? Don't be shy. Just write it down, type it now. Now, let's go on to tip numero uno, baby. Your introduction needs to be like a lightning bolt that electrifies your audience from the very beginning. Think about something unexpected or intriguing that will make your viewers go, "Whoa, I need to see more." Let's take a look at this example. Imagine starting your video with a close-up shot of your trembling hands, adjusting your gear in the darkness of a tent. Then, bam! You cut to an awe-inspiring aerial shot of a majestic mountain peak bathed in the first rays of sunlight. That contrast, that instant connection with your audience emotion, that's the power of the hook. Sometimes it's all about breaking expectations and delivering unexpected twists that leave your viewers wanting more. Here's a practical example of that. Imagine starting your video by stumbling upon a hidden gem in a city, like a hole-in-the-wall restaurant with mouth-watering delicacies. Begin with the confusion in your face, the sound of bustling street noise. And then, as you enter the restaurant, the mood shifts. The ambiance, the smells, and the smiles of locals. It's an unexpected surprise that your audience will never see coming. The key to an engaging intro lies in connecting with your viewers on an emotional level. Here's an example. Start your video with a moment of vulnerability, like a tear rolling down your cheek, capturing the raw emotions you experienced during your journey. Pair it with soft, introspective voiceover, sharing your personal reflection. This authentic connection will resonate deeply to your audience, drawing them to your adventure. Your intro should serve as a tantalizing taste of the incredible locations you will be exploring. Here's how it's done. Begin your video with a rapid-fire sequence of visually stunning clips showcasing the beauty, the culture, and the unique experiences your destination offers. Make it a roller coaster ride of vivid colors, epic landscapes, and lively locals, leaving your viewers hungry for more. Injecting your own personality into the introduction can create an immediate connection with your audience. Here's how I do it. By sharing a personal experience, you not only entertain your viewers, but also establish a sense of authenticity and reliability. It's like inviting them to be part of your adventure. But enough about me, how about you? I really want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let me know what kind of challenges you've faced when writing an introduction for your travel videos. Do you struggle with hooks? Do you struggle with surprises, emotions, showcasing destinations, or adding a personal touch? I'll be reading every single comment and answering your questions, so be sure to let me know, okay? Remember, the intro sets the tone for your entire travel video. Now, how do you write the whole thing? I suggest you watch these videos right here and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that we can all learn, create, and share. Peace out!